Hi, this is Jose from City of Cars. Just want to do that walk around video for you on the 2011 Mercedes-Benz R class. So the first thing we're going to do is just kind of walk around the vehicle slowly, just so you can kind of get a better idea of the condition of the vehicle. And at the very end here, I will make sure to kind of point any imperfections that I do see. It is in very, very good condition, but it is a 2011, so it has been on the road, and there's a few little imperfections throughout the body that I'll be sure to point out for you. So starting with the first one, you got a little scuff on the front driver's side bumper. You can see right there. Nothing major, and it is plastic, so it's not like it's going to rust or anything, but I just want to make you aware. And you'll find some highway chips throughout the bumper of the vehicle, as you can see right there, but again, nothing that would affect the drivability or would be a major eyesore. Couple little dings right there, and I think I saw, oh yep, you got one door ding right here. I don't know if you can see with the reflection, but you do get a little ding right there, and that kind of goes for the crease. But again, just kind of nitpicking some things. Other than that, extremely good condition. Let's go ahead and take a peek at the inside. Interior of the vehicle, extremely good condition. Got a tiny little wear from the leather seat, but for a 2011, I mean, I would say it's pretty much like new. Passenger seat, same thing. And the rear seats, again, all look pretty much brand new. Let's go ahead and sit down, and we'll go ahead and turn it on. Good. That looks like it's actually going to be on for that. Let's go ahead and put the key in and fire it up. Power folding mirrors. Do get a nice sunroof that's fully active, and it's a full panoramic too on this car. Go ahead and put that back in. Heated seats, dual climate control, and as you can see, the final step of the shade curtains closing up on both sides. Definitely cool. It does have a CD player. Looks like multi CDs can go in there. Heated seats, like I mentioned. Lots of little storage compartments throughout the vehicle. It looks like you got, let's see what is in there. A couple USBs and other amenities there. Let's go ahead and look under the hood. As you can see, pretty clean little engine. And let's take a peek at the rear hatch area. It's kind of cool. It does come with an actual plug. Looking in here, spare tire. Looks like it couple safety visors, this first aid kit, the front license plate bracket, and it looks like a blanket. This does have a third row, so if you lift up on these seats, you will be able to access third row seating. As you can see there. One push button right here to close it up. And let's go ahead and take a peek at the undercarriage. As you can see, very, very clean, especially for a 2011. I'll try to get underneath the backside here. Again, you can definitely tell this vehicle is garage kept. Extremely clean for a 2011. But let's go ahead and do one more walk around. And again, if I missed anything or if you have any additional questions, please feel free to send me a text or let me know, and I'd be happy to do another video for you. Other than that, thank you so much for your time, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.